Hey everybody, what's happening? Son of a silver stacker here. In today's numismatic news and information for the 27th day of October 2022, I'd like to welcome you over to APMEX so we can check out those live spot prices. But you know how it is. Before that, I'm going to welcome you over to a Good Morning to a tiny numismatics. That's number 265. Don't forget the new start time of 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, 7:30 a.m. on the West Coast. Now, here we are at the spot prices. Gold is down $2.90 to $16.7240. Silver's down 20 cents to $19.59. Platinum down $9 even Steven to $968.50, and palladium's down $1.50 to $19.97 even. Now let's bump over here to the bullion sales at the United States Mint, and we're just going to look at the updated totals here, and there are none, as you can see here. So we're still stuck at 850,000, and like I said, that's a pretty lean year, and I think a lot of people being investors have purchased a good portion of these American Silver Eagles from 2022, leaving very little for the retail investor. What does that mean, even retail investor? I think I heard that on CNBC or Bloomberg. Now, over here to the Google machine, it says shortage of gold bar and then tight supply, bad timing. So there's a tight supply and there's some bad timing of things going on. And there's a shortage of gold bars here in the Russia, whatever they want to call it there. Isn't that interesting? So banks in Russia face shortage of gold bars after huge rise, in demand for precious metal. London gold dealer runs out of bullion as the trust budget something. And then, with the Queen's passing, there was a huge run on silver, and that's just bad timing, like I said. So with all of these things happening, and then obviously, energy crisis going on, zinc smelters, zinc miners in Europe have, cut production. And, let's face it, I think 75% of silver is a byproduct of other mining operations. So, wow, definitely tight supply. And I think we're starting to see the effects of that tight supply in this hobby, in this industry, in this line of business. Because check this out, and it continues here. COMEX update: at this rate, silver will be gone. And we talked about that by March, like 5 months, right? And even with that said, you can say that it may not be gone in 5 months. It might be gone sooner than that. Okay. And then there's people talking about silver's worth in 10 years. And look at this LBMA. Delegates see silver prices rallying 54% in the next 12 months, which puts it around $28.50, $29 from where we're at now. Okay. But that's interesting, because does that cover the premiums right now? Yikes, right? It sure doesn't. It sure doesn't. Because let's head over here to JM Bullion, and we can see. And now this is basically the tightness I want to show you, and the fact that the premiums plus tightness is what we're experiencing right now. And what's interesting about all of this is that, well, this is the time that I think the bullion dealers and the big folks with the big money are realizing that now might be the time to buy your silver and your gold from you at these prices. Check this out. I'll show you why. Now, we did say that the United States Mint, the American Silver Eagles, they're done for this month probably, and it's 10/27, so they got, 5 or 6 days to report new sales, and I don't really see that happening, but if we do, kudos to the Mint for breaking out some more. But look at this. Here we go. American Silver Eagles, mint sealed, 20 coins BU. In stock alert? Absolutely not. It's out of stock. Doesn't even say that it's going to be a pre-sale. And now, if you wanted to buy a 2022 American Silver Eagle coin, check this out. You're going to pay $41.20. Yeah, what is that? $41.20. Silver spot is $19.59, and they want you to pay how much? $41.20. Yeah, that's some good bit of money. Could you buy 2 ounces of silver for that? You should be able to, but you can't, right? So here's the thing. Now, this was amazing, and I'm telling you, they're coming for your silver, because check this out. You can select your products to sell. And this is over here, JM Bullion. And here we are. We're at 1 ounce American Silver Eagle coin random year. They're going to give you $31.20 for it. Okay. They're giving you more than spot, but they're giving you less, $10, than what they're willing to sell it to you for. But like I said, it's about $10 over spot. That's incredible. Maybe 11 or $12 over spot. And you're selling it to a bullion dealer over spot at 11. And these aren't the only folks to be doing that, folks, because here we are at SD Bullion. All right, they're going to be selling buying American Silver Eagles from you for $11 over spot. Isn't that incredible? And American Eagles random years. And why is it, that 2022 American Silver Eagles are more valuable to them than 20 or any other random year, rather? And look at this. Look at this. What? Look at this, 2022 Canadian silver maple leaf coins, only $4. they're going to give you. So which one would you rather own? Yeah, probably the one that gives you a bigger, better premium, I would think. And there's nothing wrong with these Canadian silver maple leaf coins. Nothing wrong at all. But it's just interesting to see what the dealers are willing to pay for the American Silver Eagles. Isn't that incredible? Now let's head over here to APMEX, and they really didn't have too much going on as far as look, you got to request a quote, and then you click that, and it fills out this form, and you're like, what? Yeah, I'm not doing that. Seems like a hook. I'm not doing that. So what I did was went to Twitter, and I found this. Now APMEX is coming for it too. It looks like. It says here, sell to us. Get paid in 1 business day. Some restrictions apply. This is an exclusive sellback offer due to record demand for silver American Eagles and limited availability in the market tightness. All right, demand and tightness. We have an exclusive limited time. I don't know that that's going to be limited time. Exclusive limited time sellback offer for you. For the next 10 days, we are offering a sellback price of spot plus $10 per coin on American Silver Eagles. What? Yeah, what? Bam, there it is. They're coming, and it's for 10 days. Wow. Silver American Eagles limited time sellback price spot plus $10 per coin. What is that telling you, folks? Yeah. It says that they are going to be offering more than spot price, okay, obviously, and they want your silver, and they will pay extra for it. When do you ever get spot plus $10 per coin? And it isn't just APMEX doing it. Here we go over here. SD Bullion is doing it, $11, and I showed you what JM Bullion is doing it for, right? Yeah, so what do you think? Are you going to be selling at this price at $31.20, or do you believe that silver is going to go to $50, $75, $100 an ounce, $200 an ounce, $500 an ounce? There's some people that do believe that silver will hit $500 an ounce. I think the one gentleman that wrote, man, I can't even speak. I'm so geeked up. The gentleman that wrote Rich Dad, Poor Dad, I believe he had said in early October, maybe it was late September, that the silver price we could expect to be around $500. So yeah, I would imagine with all this tightness, and look, I don't believe these bullion companies would even start offering these buybacks if they didn't realize that it was important to pick up the product because there's a huge demand. But not only that, they don't have hardly any inventory on hand. Yikes. And that should give us all pause as to what's happening in the market. Like, hey, that's a heads up, red flag. What? I don't know. See it over there in the distance? Yeah, bullion dealers are buying back the bullion they sold to you. All right, think about that. It's important for them to have it in their hands. So should that make us consider that it's important for us to hold it in our hands? Yeah, absolutely, I would think. Now let's head over here to the plus ones today. I think I'm good to go. So here we go. I used to be addicted to soap, but I'm clean now. I'm all cleaned up. Yep, no worries, no looking back. I'm a different person now. Now it says here, in a democracy, you believe it or not. In a dictatorship, you believe it or else. Even Evan Esar said that. And now here we are at 395 99.9 KOI and Coin News Radio. This is Led Zeppelin, The Ocean. Good stuff there. Good stuff. And I hope you all enjoyed that. I'm going to leave a link in the description for all the items we visited here today. Whew. Man, can you believe it? They want your silver. And I would imagine that other precious metals might be in there coming soon, like gold, platinum, and palladium, if they haven't already begun doing it. Yeah? We are in some interesting times, really interesting times. I mean, just the fact that there's the economy thing going on, and then there's the energy crisis going on, and then there's the geopolitical thing going on. I mean, that's a lot of different factors that would say, well, some very profound things about precious metals, if you know what I'm saying. So there it is, folks. I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you're hearing, please subscribe to the channel. It's free. Son of a Silver Stacker, out.